How's that for a dandy button?
I don't even want to talk to you right now. Really?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay. Alright, well this is the debut video for the channel that I haven't named yet as of the filming of this video. But I'm sure I'll come up with something by the time it's actually posted. So, I'm out today with Joss, and Dustin is over there, and we've got Dustin's dad behind me, and my first target, I Love Jordan. I don't know if that's Mike. Yeah, if it said I Love Jocelyn, that would have been a lot better, but today I love Jordan. So, we'll catch you on the next one. Alright, so second good target, second keeper target, we got a ring. It's ringing up like bronze, like an Indian head penny, so I'm thinking it's plated, but still a ring. I'll take that. Would you take that?
Yeah.
Would you take that? Would you take that?
What's this?
What do you got?
I don't know.
Let's see. That could be a lead game piece. Let's see.
That's what I was thinking.
Maybe either a game piece or a bail seal. It's tough to say for sure. I don't see anything on it, but I mean that definitely could be.
That's what...
This is going to be worth filming. I think I want to film the reaction on Joss's face more than I want to film the 2-cent piece that's in this hole. How's that for a dandy button?
I don't even want to talk to you right now. Andrew. Oh my
Focus!
God, it's beautiful.
I thought it was going to be another penny. I'm winning.
Just get out of here.
I love you.
I love you.
I'll film you filming me. Alright, so we're at a 1790s house. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous. And we got the ever so popular toy car. This one's actually kind of cool. I might keep this one. Go Power Rangers. Alright guys, we got some Chipmunk handcuffs here. This is where the naughty chipmunks used to hang out. And then when the chipmunk police would come, they'd lock them up with some chipmunk handcuffs. It's pretty cool. Alright, so this is kind of cool. It's not super spectacular, but I like it. Part of an old padlock. It's the top hasp of an old brass padlock. Actually, I don't think it's the top hasp of a padlock. I think it's part of a brass ring. Yep, definitely not from a padlock.
So what's it?
It's a what's it from a brass thingamabobber jigamaboo. Who's he what's it thingy. And it dances.
Good job.
It dances like it wants to use the chipmunk handcuffs. Doot, 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 doot. Alright, this is kind of cool. This is part of a cast iron cook pot. Sometimes if you dig the iron signals, you'll get something that's a halfway decent relic, but you know, I'm not going to save this one, but it's neat to find pieces like this, especially when you're on an old Colonial site like this. I got something, I know I've seen it before, I can't remember exactly what this thing is, so if any, and I know I've dug these before and I can't place it. So if anybody out there knows what this is, leave it in the comments and maybe give me a hand. I don't know at all. I tried to, don't I, Joss? It's brass. 2 attachment points. I almost wonder if that's some sort of keeper. Not sure. If you know what it is, leave a comment below and let me know what you think it is. Thanks. Who's Uncle Baby? Who's Uncle Baby? Who's Uncle Baby? Yeah. Here's your sweet puppy.
Yeah, a lot of work. Well, you can get that Marine Corps, and I need to remember.
I'm filming this one too. Joss is going to film this one. What'd you get?
Camera.
Right, little 3-ringer.
Ooh.
Looks smashed or something. I can't.
Yeah, it does.
Maybe fired.
That's awesome.
Nice.
It might even be carved. I have to clean that up. It could very well be carved.
Woohoo!
It was on his roots.
Awesome.
I
That's
know.
awesome.
Nice.
Good job.
Yeah, man. We gotta find some more.
If there's
That
one,
does look carved, doesn't it?
it kind of does. If there's one, there's got to be more.
There it is. Let's do it. We got a little time left.
A little bit. We're losing that daylight quick. So now we're going to do a quick wrap up. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I dug yesterday, and it also gave me a couple ideas for a few future videos. How to date a site, what things you're looking at, what they're telling you about the site. It's not just the things you find with the metal detector. So let's take a quick look at what I found yesterday, and I'll go over a couple things with you. So here you've just got your modern standard clad coinage, just modern quarters, nickels, dimes, pennies, just standard stuff you're going to find in a house yard. It's a given. Unless the yard's been pounded to death, you're going to find this stuff. The iron items can tell you some stuff about the site as well. Like right here we've got part of an old cook pot, which is neat. And the nails, the square nails, the ones that are shaped like this usually have a tendency to give off a good signal. You're going to dig these, it's going to happen, but you can actually, if there's no house there, you can actually date the site by the nails. This particular one is a rosehead nail. This is much earlier. Bits and pieces off of some horse tack. I'm sure this is off of a bridle of some kind. And we've got this massive chunk of lead. I am not sure what that's from. If anybody's seen a chunk that looks like that before and you have any ideas, leave a comment down below. And we've got a fired musket ball, fired impacted musket ball. This is probably, and earlier in the video I said this is a hasp off of a padlock. I am incorrect in that. This is part of a big brass ring, most likely for holding big keys. Would have been something that would have had the big skeleton keys on it. The standard house yard toy cars, gotta love those. Yeah, we got a nice little ring. Somebody lost their band. I don't see any marks inside of it. I cleaned it up a little bit. It looks like it's some sort of base metal, some sort of white metal. It was probably plated at some point. A couple wheat cents. 1864 2-cent piece, which was absolutely stunning and beautiful. Let me see if I can get this thing to focus on this. This thing was just so crisp and clear. One of the nicest 2-cent pieces I've ever dug. There we go. And there's a nice focus on it. Just absolutely stunning. Usually the word "we" is wiped clean. That's the highest point on the coin, so it's the first thing to wear off. So when you have a full "we" on the coin in the motto. Now in 1864 you had two varieties. You had a large motto and a small motto. The small motto, the banner actually touches the denticles along the rim. So it's easy to tell the small motto from the large motto, because the large motto, there's a slight gap in between the banner and the motto, and the rim rather. The other thing as well with this coin is 1864 is the first year, and it is the first time on U.S. coinage that you see the motto, "In God We Trust." So, nice little historical fact there. I'm not quite sure. I've dug these before. I can't really remember. If any of you guys out there know what these are, leave it in the comments below. I can't remember exactly what this is from. I'm almost thinking maybe some sort of scabbard keeper or something, but I'm not quite sure. It's real thin. It's brass. This tag, somebody bought some plaster lath. Little tag, piece of modern jewelry. I love Jordan. Would have been better if it would have said I love Jocelyn, so she says. I don't know. But that was kind of cool. This looks like could be possibly a livestock tag of some kind. Or it could have been for a hay bale or something on the farm. We've got face of a wristwatch. Here's another video I think we might do at some point, is identifying some of the pottery that comes out of the holes. And a brass bracelet of some kind. It does have the larger loop on that end, and on this end you've got a clasp. So it was probably some sort of, junk jewelry bracelet. It's older. So that's what we've got. Just modern coins to early iron and lead, toy car, cool little ring, 2-cent piece, some other odds and ends. It was a great day. If you guys have any ideas for videos you'd like to see when it comes to treasure hunting or coin collecting or bottle digging or pottery and porcelain, leave some suggestions in the comments below, and maybe I can put together some extra videos. Catch you later. See you on the next one.
Sit, Julie, sit. Good, Julie.